Balancing flashbacks and foreshadowing in storytelling. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the art of combining two vital techniques in storytelling: flashbacks and foreshadowing. By the end of this video, you should have a solid grasp of how to use and balance both techniques to enhance your creative writing. Flashbacks. A flashback is a narrative device that allows authors to convey past events. This can be crucial for providing background to a character's motivation, actions, or decisions. Imagine reading about a character who fears water, and through a flashback, we discover they almost drowned as a child. That background information can be crucial for understanding and empathizing with the character. Foreshadowing. On the other hand, foreshadowing is a technique where authors give hints or clues about what will happen later in the story. For example, if a character casually mentions a storm forecasted for the evening, and later there's a critical scene during a thunderstorm, that mention is a form of foreshadowing. Combining flashbacks and foreshadowing can create a rich tapestry of storytelling. However, overuse or heavy reliance on either can disrupt the flow and confuse readers. Balance is essential for the following reasons. 1. Maintaining pace. Too many flashbacks can slow down the present story. Conversely, excessive foreshadowing can make the narrative seem predictable. 2. Reader engagement. Both techniques can be like spices. Used judiciously, they enhance the story, but too much can overpower the main narrative. 3. Cohesion and clarity. The primary timeline should remain clear and understandable. Balancing these elements ensures the reader always understands when they are in the story. 1. Purpose. Ensure every flashback or foreshadowing has a clear purpose. Does it add depth to a character? Does it hint at a vital event? If not, reconsider its inclusion. 2. Brevity. Keep flashbacks concise. They should provide necessary information and not meander into unnecessary details. 3. Subtlety with foreshadowing. Foreshadowing should feel natural. Avoid making it too obvious, or the story becomes predictable. 4. Frequency. Limit the number of times you use these techniques in a short span. Too many can disorient readers. 5. Transition clearly. Make it clear to the reader when you're entering a flashback or returning to the present. This can be done through cues, such as a change in tense or contextual markers. So there you have it. Flashbacks give depth to characters and plot by providing necessary background, while foreshadowing creates anticipation and sets the stage for future events. By balancing these techniques, you can craft a story that's both rich in depth and engaging to read. Happy writing, and I hope this video has been enlightening.